Okay, hi there. So I'm gonna start with the outdoor decor. So some of the pieces I already have. I have, those spiral trees are from Walmart. I actually had 4 of those. 2 that we're thinking of putting over there, closer to the house, and 2 over there. Then I also have that deer that still have to place. He kind of goes up high up in the air. And there are 2 babies, so that's the mama and the 2 babies. And then in the back, I have some tomato cage trees. You can see there's a 3rd one there that I'm going to make, so I'm going to show you how I did that. So that's how it's looking so far. I still have to stake everything and hook it up with with extension cords and all that. Okay, I think I'm going to use these garden stakes that I've had for a while, and they have little spaces that you can actually grind them down, or grind them down. What do you call that? Stake them down. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my 3rd tomato cage tree. So this is an old tomato cage that I had. It was, for some reason, it was broken here, so I'm just gonna repair it with some duct tape, and and then I'll proceed to also do the top, which I'll do with wiring. Now for the top, got some wire here. This little wire thing comes with a cutter, which is very nice. What I'm gonna do, and what I did with the other ones, I have a garland that I bought that's already flocked, so I'm gonna start kind of putting that one around. Hey, I was able to find these 2 garlands at Walmart. They were the last 2 they had, and I don't think I brought any more. So I hope I can make it to the top. But I'm definitely going to start from the top just in case I don't. I have 2 of them, and they're pretty nice, and I'm full, but they're only so long. They're only 9 feet long. So this is where fluffing becomes very important. So, but again, if it's a little bit off the ground, I don't mind, because where I'm going to put it, you won't see the bottom of the tomato cage. So. Not too bad. So I definitely can go a little higher here. Oops. And of course, it helps to kind of put the branches going down instead of up. That helps you fill it out faster. Let me give you a close-up so you can see better what I'm doing. See, by pushing them down like that, it really gives more the shape of a tree. So I'm not fluffing them normal way I would fluff a garland. I'm actually making sure that they go down, and it really has the impression of a tree. And if there's gaps like that, you can adjust. I'll be using the same branches to kind of twirl around and secure a little bit higher or lower, depending how I like it. And again, from afar, people are not gonna see. Where I'm gonna put it, it's gonna be very close to the house, so people are not gonna see the gaps. I can also even put a snow blanket. I did that with one of my other ones. Snow blanket pieces, if I feel like it has gaps. But yeah, it's looking pretty cute. Now I have a whole garden to do the bottom. Okay, look how cute it's turning out. I put both, see, like I said, it didn't make it all the way to the bottom, but in this case, especially because it's gonna go outside, and it rains and stuff, so, and I'm sure it probably has a prettier side, which I'll have to find to put towards the front looking forward. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Came out even better than my other one, because this one was so flocked. This garland was really heavily flocked. Yay, there you go. Just gonna have to join the others, but I have to find some lights for it too though. Okay, I'm moving on now to my porch. And for those of you who've seen my tea garden party videos, you may remember this arch. I also used it for Halloween, so I decided, hey, I'll use it for Christmas. So I actually was able to find these fresh cedar garland at Costco for $10 for 45 feet, which I thought was a great deal. I've never seen it that cheap. So I decided to go ahead and put it on the arch. Now, normally what I had done is I had this other garland, you know, one of the fake garlands with a few embellishments in it. And I used to put it by my door, all around the door. You know, might as well just, if I'm gonna put it there, I don't think I need to do the door and the arch. It's kind of redundant. So I decided to put the garland. You can see I zip tied. I haven't cut the zip ties yet. Decided to put the garland on the arch as well, kind of more towards the front of it. And I'm still gonna add a few more things, and I'm probably gonna add a few things here to my planters to make them a little bit more festive. I already put in my 2 wreaths for the outside. So let's see. Okay, well, this is some of the stuff that I've used over the years in different ways. And I use it here to embellish my little planters to make them a little bit more festive. And I think I'm also going to use it on the arch. And I also have a ton of pine cones that I haven't even used yet. So I'm definitely adding more of those. So let's see. Okay, so let me show you what I did. You know, I put those 2 silver big ones, which I made saving 2 for the arch. And I basically just filled, you know, I had a lot of empty spaces because my poor little succulents need help. So wherever there was an empty, you know, empty piece of dirt, I just filled it with my pine cones and my little florals and so forth. And I think it looks pretty cute. And I did the same thing with the one over here. Again, debating whether to put lights on these or not. I'm kind of out of batteries right now, so I kind of don't need more battery operated lights. So we'll see. Well, let's get going with it. Okay, here we are in our foraging spot, trying to get some good branches. I'm gonna see if there's any down there. I used all the branches that I got foraging. So what I did with the smaller ones is I put them here in my arch. So they just, it looks kind of more organic. It hides a little bit of the metal of the arch. You know, it's kind of a way to use what I had. Kind of fun. And then I'm also gonna put some snow on this one, as well as of course cut all the zip ties, so that's coming up too. Okay, let me show you how it all turned out. Lights are all on. There's still a few fixes. I just noticed my deer hind legs don't have any lights. I think those lights went out, so I'm gonna have to replace those lights. There's the new tree that I made, the other 2 that I had. I'm a little mini forest. I usually put this little kind of lights out, kind of supposed to be like my little river flowing through. And there is the baby deer. And my other tree, which also has the same problem, the bottom ones don't work. So I'm gonna have to find some replacements, but here you're getting a good angle of how it looks like you're coming from the driveway. And if I go closer to the neighbor's house, this is what you get. And then as you come into the front door, you'll be greeted by the arch, complete with a little cardinal that my husband gave me. And of course, I had to put a lot of snow blankets to cover all the mess of wires. And this is the complete little box in the front, or planter box. I did put lights on them, and they work a lot better with lights. And those are the same wreaths I've had for a long time. So there you go. There is an outdoor decor and porch all completed.